It's now time for the home financing update, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
But Donald is here, Scott, and he sounded very happy to be on this morning.
Yeah, Donald, tell everybody why you're so happy to be on.
Well, things kind of look a little better than it was. I put everything together. I make one thing, and it's easier. It's very much easier.
Well, let's talk about you refinance, correct?
Yeah.
And you got an FHA loan at the rate of 5.5%.
Yeah.
And you know that rate is no longer available. It's now
yeah.
So you're very happy that you locked in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you dealt with David Narayan. He's a really good guy. Am I correct?
Yeah, real good guy, man. I thank that guy, man.
Yeah, he's a good guy, and he really puts himself out. And his extension is 418, folks. If you want to call right now and speak to him. So let's talk about there's a lot of benefits of refinancing, a lot of different kinds of benefits. What was your benefit? What were you trying to accomplish when you came and met with David? What is it you were hoping for?
Well, I was looking to get my interest rate down.
And you did that?
Yeah, and I did that.
What else did you do?
And he consolidated, put in $26,000.
You consolidated $26,000 in debt.
Yeah, and I take some cash.
You want to tell everybody how much cash you took?
No.
How about we just say it's a lot?
Yeah, not a lot, but I'll take some cash.
Okay. No problem. You took out some cash, you paid off some debts, and in the end, after you walked out with cash and paid off your debts and lowered your rate from 6.5 to 5.5, what happened? Did your monthly payment go up? Did it go down?
Well, no, it don't go up.
Your total monthly payment, so if you add up what you were paying for your the debts you had before and everything, and now your new mortgage payment compared to your old mortgage payment.
Yeah, it's less.
Do you know how much?
Yeah, about $300 less.
That's great.
Yep.
So you're happy.
Yeah.
You're happy. You accomplished what you wanted to.
Yep.
Did you have perfect credit?
I do.
You do have perfect credit?
Yep.
Wow. That's great. And you're going to continue to have perfect credit, right?
Yep. I will. Try to.
So how long did the process take?
Maybe about two to 2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks. That's great.
Yeah.
So overall, would you recommend that homeowners out there who have credit card debt should maybe take the opportunity to call David right now?
Yeah, right now, right away. He's a good guy. I'd recommend anyone.
718.
I recommend him to anyone. I recommend anyone to him.
718.
He's a good guy. He will talk with you and let you know what can done and leave to you if you want to. But he explain everything to you. Sorry. He explain everything to you. He's a good guy. He's a guy that will sit and talk with you. So anyone who's in a problem with debts or finance like that, they could get in touch with David. That's a good guy.
That's great. And you live in New Jersey.
You're in Jersey, yeah.
So how was it, the fact that, there are Jersey listeners right now who might be saying, well, First Republic their main office is in New York. I know they have the branch office in Rutherford, but, how am I going to, when I call 718-380-0006, what's going to end up happening for me?
Oh, when you call the number, you ask for David.
And being in the fact that you were in Jersey, Bergen, New Jersey, did that interfere with, I guess it didn't because we closed you in 2.5 weeks.
It didn't interfere in anything.
And where did you close?
I closed in Jersey.
Okay, close to where you live?
Yeah, right in Rutherford.
Super.
Yep.
Well, you're really a true success story. You really are. You took the opportunity to call. You took advantage of the low rate that was available. Then you locked it in. Yep. Now you're a happy guy because when we talk about the special being at 5.75, you know that you got 5.5. And I know you got a big smile on your face right now, don't you?
But at first I was looking 5. And David said, oh, no.
Well, I'll tell you, if you go back a period of time, Not that long ago, it was 5.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah, so 5.5 is better than, it's not as good as 5, but it's better than 5.75.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I want to thank you so much for being on the phone with us, taking the time to talk about your experience in dealing with First Republic and David Narine.
Yep.
Okay, have a great day.
Okay, you too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Well, another success story and showing the dynamic way in which First Republic is able to have a positive influence on people's personal life, and through their financial life. I mean, this gentleman gave us a call. He's in Jersey. We were able to help him pay off all his debts. I mean, he walked out with no debt, walked out with cash. He didn't want to say how much, so that gives you an idea that it was probably a lot. And he was able to reduce his monthly payments still. So this is a really exciting, because it shows every benefit that goes along with refinancing. He lowered his interest rate. He was able to pay off his credit cards, and he was able to take some cash out and still have a lower monthly payment. If you're listening right now and you're a homeowner, he bought his house in, he bought his house in, it wasn't even that long ago. He bought his house in 2004. And we were still able to give him substantial help here. He had his house for 4 years, and he had some equity in his house. So we had the ability, even though there's this huge, subprime crisis and everything, and a lot of you homeowners are afraid to call because you figure you can't be helped, or maybe you're just afraid altogether, call 718-380-0006 or 1-800-QUICK-LOAN. 1-800-QUICK-LOAN. In a couple of minutes, you're going to hear all the states that we're licensed in. I know a lot of you are listening on the Internet. And, of course, we hit the tri-state area. We are licensed in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania. I'll let the tail end of this to let you know all the 12 states that we're licensed in. But bottom line here is, as a direct lender, eliminating the middleman, we are able to give you the benefit of the best possible programs and the best possible rates that are available in the industry. I don't care what type of program it is. FHA, conventional, non-conforming, even some of the stated programs are still available. Call, find out what the facts are as they pertain to you. We just heard the facts as they pertain to Donald. That's great. He got a great deal. What about you? What's your great deal going to be? Do you know? Have you even called to find out what the facts are? 718-380-0006. You can go to extension 418 and ask for David Narine. He did a great job here. Or you can speak to any of the loan officers that are currently available in the office and make that connection that's so important for you to make that step towards being able to live a better lifestyle, have less pressure, and get rid of your credit cards and eliminate the middleman, all in one process by making one phone call. 718-380-0006. Don't hesitate. Don't put aside what you can do right now, because you're not even for today, tomorrow. You know what? Call now. If you don't call now, you may never call. You may never get the best rate, and you may end up in a position where rates are higher and the loan limits are lower. Call us. Find out how we can help you. 718-380-0006 or 1-800-QUICK-LOAN. First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.